And that's the last one. So now all of the holes are also threaded. And basically the unit itself is done other than some cleanup. I'm gonna guess I've got an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours into it. Again, a lot of that is the filming part of it that can eat up, time. So what's left is to decide how I'm going to use it, but I am going to clean it up. I've got some burrs that I want to clean up with a grinder or sandpaper. I want to take off the sharp edges on all the corners, and that, I'll do with something like this, right? Or if you don't have that kind of tool, you can use a sandpaper or file. I'm going to probably cut that one end off so it's flush, and then I'm going to wipe it all down with paint thinner to get all that oil off of it, especially, like this cutting oil. And then just the oil that's basically part of steel, the coating that they put on there, whatever they do to it. Get rid of all that. And again, thinner works out really well because I can do the wood and the steel. At some point, I'll even put a coat of this on it with the wood and the steel, and she's going to be in good shape. Again, I was never a metal worker. I didn't pick this up until a few years ago, but once I got some of these machines, just think the stuff you can do with them. Like basically here, I'm going to clean up that edge. Ain't that pretty? Look at that, perfect. So cool.